If you want to know someone's mind, listen to his words. If you want to know someone's heart, so look at his actions. Never make yourself so addicted to a person that after he is gone you will have nothing left. If you want to move forward in life, become deaf, because some people talk to increase despair. Dealing with literature makes the friendship strong. The more the stubborn, it breaks violently, and the bigger the deception, it comes back on its axis by force. Knowledge is not what you have learned, knowledge is what is shown by your actions and character. You heart in remembrance of Allah Ta'ala. Peace and contentment will love you. Where there is sincerity and feeling in relationships, there are flowers, no need of seasons. Don't be a source of sin because perhaps you repent. That which you have imposed on sin may be the cause of your hereafter's destruction.